Hi everyone, this is Tech Ken. Do you need to make a video on your computer and then send it to your teacher through Google Classroom? Well, let me show you how to do it. Now let's say we're using the laptop to make a video. What you do here is you go up to the magnifying glass in the top corner. You click the magnifying glass and type photo booth. It looks like this. See this red? Here it is. Double click it and it'll open. Now over here, oh, there's me. Hey there. Now over here where my arrow is pointing, this is for photos. So this is just going to give me a photo. But this one is going to make it a video. See how suddenly I got a picture of a video camera? So, to use the video camera to make a video on the computer, you go like this. You press it, it's going to count down. Now I'm going to use my sock, and I'm going to use this sock likes Tostitos. Now see over here, the Tostitos words are backwards. All the words are the letters are backwards. It's going to fix it when you press stop, so don't worry if the letters are backwards. Hey, I'm a foot now. Look out, I love Tostitos. Yum. Beautiful. Now when you're done, you press stop. And see it jumped up. It's the one at the very end. What you do is you click it, and look, see the Tostitos is fixed. So it's fixed. Anyway, what you do now is, let's shrink everything else. I have a lot of stuff on here. You take this little square and you pull it over here. And you let go. And now I could title it, just to make it easier to find. I'll title it Sock Tostitos. See at the end though, it has a period dot mauve. You must keep the dot mauve. That's short for dot, like movie. If you forget the dot mauve at the end, it will not work. I'm going to press enter to lock it in. Locked. Now I'll go into my Google Classroom and I want to add that. So add or create. And I'm going to use it as a file. File. And then select files from device. If you want to do it the easy way, look, if this is filling up the whole screen, go all the way super high. Press green. Then take the gray. Pull this over. Take your Sock Tostitos or whatever your movie is called and put it right there. And then press upload. See here, it's putting it on, it's uploading it, and here it's uploading it. This teacher's gonna love this video. The longer the video, the longer this will take, so don't worry if it takes like a long time, but as long as it's moving, or even if it's moving super slow, it's putting it on. This is a good time to think about your next Sock Tostitos, or think about how many Tostitos could a sock if it, that doesn't work at all. I was trying, whatever. Alright, finish up please. It's doing it. Okay, it's on. And if you click X here, then you have to put it back on, so don't press X. I can press red, it's gonna say, it might say processing not ready, and that might take 10 minutes. But look, now I'm going to use my there. The teacher has it. Let's X out of this red. It's here. I turn it in. Turn in Sock Tostitos. Enjoy! I think, there we go. And it is submitted. Thank you! Tune in next time for more!